it's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Spotify. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, I want to go over Spotify promotion. Recently, I've been going over a lot of different ways to promote your music on Spotify, whether it's through playlist promotion or through the Spotify method. I've been sharing a lot of game on how to get more streams and get more followers on Spotify, how to grow your audience on Spotify. Now, I want to provide another option for y'all just so y'all know all of the options y'all have available when you want to promote your Spotify music. And another option to promote your Spotify music is through Spotify ads. Now, you can reach new listeners, you can reach new followers, you can get new streams by promoting through Spotify ads. Now, Spotify ads is a new platform. Not too many people talk about this, but you could do a lot of different things. You could promote more than just music. Like even if you had a product, a business, a service you wanted to promote, you could use Spotify ads, and you could run audio campaigns, you could run video campaigns, right? It's a lot of different things. You can run campaigns for podcasts, different sponsorships, display campaigns, like I said, the audio campaigns for different songs, right? And this will help you increase your Spotify revenue, right? And you see the maximum length is 30 seconds they play the song for, right? And they show you all the requirements you need, right? And if you wanted to sign up, like say if you wanted to get started with Spotify ads, it costs $250 minimum. Like once you sign up, it costs $250 to start promoting through Spotify ads, right? But just like any other ad company, right, it costs money to run promotion. Like when you run promotion with Spotify ads, right, this is considered paid promotion, right? This is paid promotion. It helps you get more exposure, by paying for it. You have to pay to reach a new audience, right? And you can go directly through Spotify. Some people pay for promotion through Facebook. You could go to Facebook ads. You can run Facebook ads. You can also run Google ads for your business or your Spotify campaign or profile, or you could run Microsoft ads, right? And the thing you gotta know about paid promotion, whether it's from Microsoft, Google, Facebook, or Spotify, right? All of these options, right, is non-refundable. So when you invest in yourself, it's non-refundable, so you just have to understand that before you invest in these platforms, right? Like once you spend money on advertising, you will get results, you will get clicks, you will get streams, right? And when your campaign is over, that's your campaign, and you can't get a refund. So you just have to realize that when you invest in these platforms and have a plan and a strategy and understand your audience and understand who you want to target, what cities and your demographic, because on these platforms you can really break that down and target certain people. Like they have a large audience. Spotify has over 300 million people, subscribe monthly listeners on Spotify, right? And you can target those groups of individuals through Spotify advertising. And you can use other platforms and use Facebook audience to get that following, or use Google audience, or use Microsoft Bing ads to get that following. So I just wanted to provide more options for y'all, just so y'all have options, just so y'all know that it's more options than just the Spotify method. It's more options than just playlist promotion, right? You can go directly through Spotify, for $250 minimum, and run ad campaigns, right? And get your voice heard on Spotify through audio ads, through video ads, right? So Yeah, man, that's my video for today. If y'all had any questions, just leave a comment in the comment box. You know, feel free to email me if y'all have any questions. Thank you. I'm out. Peace.